Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and this product coming from TELESIN Pro Shot Grip coming in TELESIN brand. I'm purchasing, this is the grip and one magnetic flashlight for iPhone. This combo I personally purchased and ordered from TELESIN website. So this is the website. I already added the link in video description, telesinstore.com, and the product I personally purchased, the grip price $79, and if you purchase here creative combo, so I pay $100 US. Let's check it out. So let's start. Pro Shot Grip box, and this one is a flashlight. Inside the box we receive here such a grip. I just simply open this one. Inside the box we receive here, and then the magic grip. It's really impressive. The button is also here. Apart from that, we receive here different buttons as well. Like this is the orange color, this is the bluish, and this is the pink. Little tiny towel, the C to C charging cable. You can charge here like this. Here the handrest grip. It's much impressive and quality. This is the magnetic. You should fix in your iPhone if it is not supporting magnet. So this is the one. I just simply here the mention how you connect in your phone. So just simply press here once and the light is on. I just simply remove this one. After that, and this is working. This is the combination between grip plus power bank as well. So you can charge, you can record the video with this one as well. So this is the one, like this and like this, but I can recommend you can record like this as well or like this. So this is the really impressive. Now second thing, here we need to open here. Now next I just simply cut the wrap of the flashlight. Inside the flash box we receive magic booklet, the USB and C charging cable, and this is our product. It's much impressive. You should use this charging cable as well. So both are same. It's really impressive. How to turn it on? Just simply press here and light is on. Here I just simply fix here like this. I want record this video like this. So look at this here. You can increase and decrease as well. The strongest light like this. So you can see here the proper this face is automatically changed using this light, the flash, and afterward the light is coming this way. It's really impressive. Turn it on, the photo and the merge here, the how much battery is remaining, and the turn it off as well. You can fix like this. Press here and put it like this as well. If you don't use how you connect this grip, it's easy. We just simply enter here, wait couple of seconds, the mentioning all the information. 2 seconds the pixel is showing TELESIN_IPX. So after connecting this Bluetooth, look at this here, it's very easy to connect the Bluetooth as well. Look at this, TELESIN_IPX is connected the Bluetooth here. Now I just simply open here camera. Using this button I just simply change the camera as well. Look at this here, the camera is a change as well. If I want change the selfie mode, if I press this button, so selfie mode is activated. If I start the recording, I just simply press here this button and recording is a start. It's easy. Close this recording, again I press this button, the recording is closed. Capture the photo like this. So this is the one of the best thing. These are the button you can change and zoom in and zoom out as well using this button. So this is the simple unboxing and review video of TELESIN Grip combo. If you have any question related on this product, you should ask me on comment section. If you want buy this one, link is available on video description. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.